Well, I think he's absolutely on track as far as you're probably going to have to lower interest rates sooner rather than later. So I think he's predicting three decreases in interest rates. He sees a recession coming, and so do a lot of billionaires and the people that I'm speaking to. There is a recession coming. If you look at the statistics and the indicators that usually will tell you if a recession is coming, like an inverted yield curve with a 100% track record of being correct, um, there's a recession coming. On top of that, there's a couple of other indicators that I think Jerome Powell is really looking at. One being the money supply. Look, money is like gas in a car. You need it to run the economy. So if you get a pullback in M2, where the money supply M2, which is really money in a checking account, your savings account, and certificates of deposit, um, money markets, things like that. Okay, so that's M2. You don't see it shrink usually, Clayton. It doesn't come down too much. But when it comes down just a couple of percent, it has large ramifications. And it's only come down that 2% four times in the last 150 years. And each time that it's done that, there's been a recession or a depression and double digit unemployment. Okay, so that's one.
Wow.
The other is commercial bank lending. When commercial bank lending decreases by 2% or more, which has only happened three times since 1973, you get a recession. So not only do we have an inverted yield curve with a 100% predictability rate, we have commercial lending off by more than 2%, and we have the M2 money supply off by more than 2%. It's a scary situation for him because that usually signals a big recession, depression, 2008. Something big usually comes when all three of those indicators are going in the wrong direction.